How to fix QR code scanner not working on Realme Narzo 90X. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search camera app from here. After click on camera app, click on force stop. After click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management, scroll down and again click on camera app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. After click on software update, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix QR code scanner not working on Realme Narzo 90X. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.